Welcome to Search Listings, where you can quickly explore opportunities available across the DealClerk marketplace. From the navigation bar, select Search Listings. The Search Listings tool not only lets buyers find the business or properties they are interested in, but can also assist sellers in finding interested buyers. The same is true for borrowers looking for a loan or lenders looking for interested and qualified borrowers. The Add or Become a Partner function is a truly unique option. If you are a business or property owner and could benefit from adding a partner who could bring funding and experience to your business, you can find that partner in Search Listings. The Become a Partner option is equally unique. If you are an investor and want to become engaged with a growing business, you can find that opportunity in Search Listings. To get started, select the listing type to explore. Complete the short questionnaire and choose Search. You can view the associated listings in Search Results. Select any listing to view its complete details, including business information, financial data, and other key information to help you evaluate the opportunity. You can also view the lender listings associated with each opportunity by choosing financing options. If you'd like to review a listing later, simply click Add to Favorites to save it for quick and easy access. Search Listings helps you discover and review available opportunities. To access advanced features, including AI analysis and additional search parameters, first add a listing, using Add Listing, and then review your personalized results in My Matches. To unlock DealClerk's intelligent matching, AI-powered analysis, and personalized financing recommendations, create your own listing and let DealClerk automatically identify opportunities that best fit your goals.
DealClerk. Find better deals. Make better decisions.